So the Nigerian jollof rice and Ghanaian jollof rice is ready, as you can see. Now we want to eat it and tell you how delicious both of them are. And from the face, as you can see, they are yummy, but we must test it to give the results. So before going on, let's pray. Amen. So first of all, we will test the Nigerian jollof rice. The rice is okay.
Very delicious.
What do you guys have to say about it?
It's very delicious. On point.
The meat has to be tested at once.
Sure.
The meat needs to be tested, you know.
Everything checked.
The meat is really on point.
Very yummy. Okay. Go on. This one has to be a fast. Let's test the Ghana jollof rice now. This is nice too.
This is absolutely.
You
know, when the word absolutely
really
is added to any meal, it is good. Absolutely delicious.
This is really nice. Like really nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, sure.
What's in now? We need to also test the chicken though, because it is very important, so that we'll give our final result. All the rest is added here.
I like how
the chicken is well marinated.
It is very soft. Everything is just on point.
And coating it with a flour is absolutely
it makes it very crunchy.
It's nice. It's nice.
Let me finish it at once, because
It's nice.
our beautiful family, as you can see, we have come to the end of today's video. Please, it is very delicious. We are not going to call result because the both rice are 100% on point.
Everything checked.
If you are a Ghanaian, please let us know at the comment section. If you are also in Nigeria, please give us thumbs up.
Let's know the team you're on.
You understand? So let's know the team you are on. Nigeria Jollof or Ghana Jollof. Let's go there. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share the video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment. This is all we have for you for today's video. From me and all my crew, thank you so much, and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.